Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the StartX Remote Start Kit for Honda Accord 2008 to 2012. If you're like me and dread those freezing mornings or scorching afternoons, this might just be the solution you've been searching for. First off, let's talk about installation. It's a breeze with the StartX T-Harness. Seriously, zero wire splicing or cutting. All you need to do is remove the steering column cover and you're good to go. Check out the video for a step-by-step guide if you're feeling unsure. Now, compatibility is key here. This kit is specifically designed for Keystart 2008 to 2012 Accords. If you're rocking the push-button start, unfortunately, this won't work for you. But for those with the right model, it's a game-changer. Imagine being able to start your car from the comfort of your home, letting it warm up in winter or cool down in summer. No more waiting around, no more uncomfortable drives. Plus, the added security of locking your car 3 times to activate the remote start adds peace of mind. In a nutshell, if you're looking to upgrade your Honda Accord with remote start capabilities, the StartX kit is where it's at. Say goodbye to chilly mornings and sweaty afternoons, and hello to convenience and comfort. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.